Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine is a man with a lot of might. Mr. Fine is a man stays out all night. Mr. Fine drinks wine, roars like a lion. Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine. Mr. Fine is a man about 6 feet tall. Takes the money from women and lies to them all. He's a cradle snatcher and a bear cat grabber. Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine. Mr. Fine drinks whiskey all night long. Makes love to your woman and takes her home. He's a money waster, the pretty leg chaser. Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine. Ran into Mr. Fine, he sure was keen. I like what I saw, you dig what I mean. Now he's taking my money and I'm calling him mine. Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine. Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine. Mr. Fine don't beat me, well, not much. When he knocks me down, I only use one crutch. He's my no good daddy, but I phone him all the time. Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine, Mr. Fine. Mr. Fine, what are you putting down? Ooh, Mr. Fine, that sweet man stays on my mind. Mr. Fine, how much more money do you want? Well, honey, I'm not the mint, you know, but here it is. Mr. Fine, when are you going to take me out again? Oh, a month from next Tuesday? Oh, Mr. Fine, you're so good to me. Mr. Fine.